Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. The digital image is an array of digital numbers dn arranged in rows and columns, having the property of an intensity value and their locations. The energy that is either absorbed or scattered by the atmospheric constituents never reaches to sensor placed on board satellite, and the properties of the objects carried by such energy waves are left unrecorded. The sensors recording the energy that they receive are placed in a near-polar sun-synchronous orbit at an altitude of 700 to 900 kilometers. The false color composite, FCC, is an artificially generated color image in which blue, green, and red colors are assigned to the wavelength regions to which they do not belong in nature. The sensor is a sort of imaging or non-imaging device that receives electromagnetic radiation and converts it into a signal that can be recorded and displayed as photographic or digital image. The oscillation of the scanning mirror across the scene directs the received energy to the detectors, where it is converted into electrical signals. In satellite remote sensing, the sun-synchronous polar orbit enables the collection of images after a predetermined periodical interval referred to as the temporal resolution or the revisit time of the satellite over the same area of the Earth's surface. The push broom scanner consists of a number of detectors which are equivalent to the number obtained by dividing the swath of sensor by the size of spatial resolution. The interaction of electromagnetic radiation of the spectrum with the object surface leads to the absorption, transmittance, and reflection of energy. The variation in the texture of the images are primarily caused by an aggregation of smaller unit features that fail to be discerned individually, such as high-density and low-density residential areas, slums and squatter settlements, garbage and other forms of solid waste, and different types of crops and plants.